I'm gonna throw my blindfold on, and we're gonna see how we do. A lot of people think that in order to jump rope, you need to be able to see the rope in order to know when to jump it. But this isn't true. In fact, if you've been following me for very long, you know that I talk a lot about feeling the rope. That's why I recommend cross rope weighted jump ropes. Weighted jump ropes give a lot more feedback to the user, allowing you to know when to jump the rope as it's rotating around your body. You may have seen people use a blindfold when jumping rope before, and you might think, is that just some kind of a party trick? But it's not, there is purpose to it. We have 6 senses, and I've heard people say before that if you remove one of those senses, it can intensify the others. And so I've found this to be true regarding your sense of sight and touch regarding jumping rope. Before we get to the blindfold jumping, I want to set a base by performing these 5 skills: basic jump, alternate foot, crisscross, double unders, and side swings, without a blindfold, so you can compare to my performance with the blindfold. Before we continue on, another great benefit of blindfold jumping is that it helps you gain more jump control by gaining a better sense of space with no sight. You don't want to be jumping all over the place as shown here. It also helps you develop jump height control because the only thing you have to go on is the feel and speed of the rope through your hands. Now let's do the blindfold test with the 5 skills. All right, you might be thinking, Kyle, but you weren't going that fast. That doesn't really prove that you could still perform at the same level with the blindfold as you can with seeing. So I'm gonna throw my blindfold on, and we're gonna see how we do. So there you have it. You can perform just as highly without seeing as you can with seeing, but you don't need a blindfold in order to do it. You can just close your eyes. Remember when trying this to choose a space with plenty of room, and you can always take a peek to make sure you're in the clear. Now my challenge for you is give it a shot. Close your eyes. Just try to focus on your feel of where the jump rope is located. Focus on your jump height and how fast the rope is going to make sure that you can match those, as well as being able to jump in one location. You need to have that jump control so you're not traveling all over the place. Let me know in the comments below how it goes, and I will see you in the next video.